Hello everybody and welcome to Dan Tech, and I hope you're doing well. And today we're going to be taking a look at a new gaming chair. Now this one here is the American esports gaming chair that I've had for a little while. You can check out the video on this in the link in the description down below, along with the Player Haha and the Luck Racer one. However, today we're focusing on a new gaming chair from Intey. Now this is their RGB gaming chair, and it's going to add a little bit more finesse to your setups, whether that be streaming, videoing, or anything else along those lines. So let's go ahead, set this up and then test it at the end of the video.
Said that they don't got a future like that. It burns, so give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Sorry's won't be enough this time. Yeah, he's calling all his friends to get some action and distract him right now. He's fine, got Lucy on the line, let's get this started. Where's the party tonight? I feel good, nothing weighs me down. I can't believe my luck right now. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart, it needs a little kickstart. Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Ooh, who needs a job to pay the rent is busy. Gotta feel free sometimes, right? What doesn't make you will only make you stronger if you believe what they say. Might be that another day she would have wished to stay, but they're done. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart, it needs a little kickstart. Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Just make it go away. Can't take another day. Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like that. It hurts, so give him something worse to pass the time. Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart, it needs a little kickstart. Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun?
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Yeah, yeah. We are two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod. That we are two peas in a pod. Now I know why it never worked out before. High low, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Yeah, yeah.
So assembling the chair overall was really easy. Now there was only a set of bolts for everything included. The only two things that were different were the screws, and that was for either cover to go on the side, connecting the bottom part of the chair to the top. So the chair is made out of polyurethane and it's really comfortable. They also used matte polyurethane stitching as well to keep it all together. Obviously the sides where the RGB strobes are, as you can see, is all see-through and it's just a bit of mesh. And the chair design itself is really nice. Now obviously between the different looks you've got a bit of what looks like carbon in there, and then you've got a flat bit of polyurethane, and again going on so on and so forth. And then the armrests. Now these are 2D armrests and they're actually really supple and really comfortable compared to some of the other chairs that I have also used. For instance, the American Esports one, it's a 2D armrest again, but they are quite hard. These are actually quite a bit padded on top as well. So that's really nice, and overall a really good chair. You can also recline the chair to 160 degrees backwards, which again gives you a lot of leeway for positioning the chair to how you feel. Now the chair can take up to 136 kilograms or 299 pounds of weight, so you should be fine. And my height is about 5'8", so you'll be in this chair if you're about 6 foot. But yeah, overall a really nice chair. Now the only con that I did have with this is that no plug came with it, and that was the female plug to a USB or to a charger. So I did have to go out and buy a power adapter, or you can use a power bank and a cable to be able to put the chair on for the RGB. However, the power adapter that I am using, I will put in the link in the description down below. Again, it is an Amazon affiliate link, so it's not going to cost you anything extra. It just gives the channel a bit of a kickback. But bar that, it's a really nice chair. Now, at the time of recording this video, this chair comes in at £178, so it isn't cheap, but it is the cheapest RGB chair out there that I could find for the quality at this present moment in time. Obviously, I will have a look around and do some more, but I really like this chair. It's very vibrant. There's 300 plus settings that you can use with 7 different colours. You've got dot, you've got cycle, you've got single colour, and you've also got multicolour as well on that remote. If you want to add a little bit more emphasis to your streams, then an RGB chair like this from Intey is going to be the one for you. Now, like I said, I will put a link in the description down below to this chair, so do go and check it out yourself. If you do end up purchasing one, it doesn't cost you anything extra, it just gives the channel a bit of a kickback and means I can bring you more videos like this. I'll also stick in the description down below a link to Teespring where you can pick up yourself some DAT merch. However, that does it for me today. If you did like the video, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Any thoughts or questions that you do have, leave those in the comment section down below, and go ahead and share the video. It really does help out the channel. Underneath the video, there's a red bar that says subscribe. Go ahead and click that and smash the bell icon for more notifications from myself. And like always, I shall see you in the next video.